So this is my 2000 Volkswagen Passat. It's a 1.9 TDI with a 5-speed manual transmission in the original color of Futura yellow. It has got 360,000 kilometers on the clock, so it's starting to become a high mileage car. As you can probably tell, the clear coat is starting to peel and the headlights starting to fade. General wear and tear, I guess. But there's one major issue with this car, and that was that a couple of years ago I had a small fire in the electrical compartment, so we'll need to dig into that and see how much is ruined from the fire. But before we do anything about that, I really want to do a deep clean of the interior, because the car's been sitting and just collecting dust for the last couple of years. It wasn't cleaned before it was parked, so yeah, it's needed. Let's dig into that. I'm terrible at using my car as just storage, like I'm not using it. Oh, there's a tent. I just don't keep that in the car. Yeah. One of the windows were left open during a rainy weekend, and at the time I had some drum brakes laying in the car, resulting in a whole lot of rust on my carpet. Now the only thing left to remove is this subwoofer. Installed it back in the days. Needed, to quote James May, banging stereo for my tunes. Car is now empty, I do believe, so let's take a moment just look at all the dirt before we start.
It's okay, I guess. Beautiful. It's not that bad.
I don't know if you could tell, but I have a dog. 2 actually. They're Alaska Huskies, so yeah. Here are all the floor mats and the one for the boot. The trunk, I don't know, yeah. And apparently I have double of some. Those need to be cleaned. But I think I'll start off with some vacuuming. Yeah. The vacuuming is coming along nicely. It isn't perfect yet, but you could definitely tell the difference. Let's keep on. So now I'm done with the first cycle of vacuuming. Well, I've done the rough part. So I thought I'd remove the seats for better access and to clean the seats outside of the car, so yeah. Just thought I recorded how to undo the seats. I didn't, so I'll record the other one. think that's all the rust work. Didn't think I would have to deal with any rust on this episode, but that's, I guess there's rust on every car I own, so that's good. It's not looking too bad. Not as much as I expected. Oh yeah, that was what I was expecting. Man. This is just the way through, so that's no more fabric on the carpet. Yeah, it's not the best. Here she is, inspecting the work. Yeah, I think I'm ready to do some plastic cleaning. I have got this cheap steamer. I've got a couple of brushes, some clean microfiber towels, a rubber brush, another brush, some detergent, yeah, and just a bucket of clean water. So, let's try. I think I'm all done inside the car now, at least the cleaning part to stuff. And I have to say it looks heaps better now, so that's great. I will apply some vinyl and rubber care on all the plastic once it's all dried up and all the moisture is gone. I had a small error here. The steam did loosen the fabric, so yeah, but we live and learn, so it's okay, I guess. So while that dries up, I will tackle the seats. Found some rust when I took out the seats, so I decided to deal with it right away. Took it back to bare metal, then hit it with some epoxy primer and topped it off with a coat of black paint. Now it's time to do probably the most satisfying part, and that is to use the carpet cleaner on the seats. Finally, I'm done with the front seats. I will just do a brief vacuuming again where they're supposed to be and install them back in the car. And we're starting to see the end of this interior clean, so yeah. Just a tiny bit of lubrication. Have I put in the wrong seat? This goes on the other side. Yes. Promising. Hopefully I pressed the record. Yes. As you can see, I have treated the rust that was here. So this needs a bit of an explanation. I found this old box of pre-workout in the car, and I know that different stuff could dissolve rust, so I thought, why not give it a go? Left it in there a day, and this is what happened.
I can't believe how well this worked to remove all the rust. As you can see, it's almost rust-free. This is just from laying in the pre-workout. Probably have to rinse the seat belt a bit, but that's okay. I'd say that's pretty decent. Man, I do think we are in business.
Anyway. Let's do some funny editing here. Guess you could, maybe I should read the bottle. I want a bit shine. Oh, that smells good. This looks good.
Basically what it said was that the longer you leave the product on before you buff it out, the more shine you'll get.
Oh, overspray is a real consideration. Finally, I'm all done with the interior clean, and I have to say, man, does it look good. It looks so much better than before. So, like a professional or somebody that actually knows what they're doing would have gotten a much better results, but it just looks heaps better, so I'm really happy and satisfied with that. The inside of the car actually looks inviting, and it looks like a car you want to get into and use, so yeah, really happy about that. With no further ado, let's go ahead and watch the before and after shots.